Finding the courage to change, recovering myself. Once upon a time, I accidentally overheard a terrible thing. Someone close to me told someone else that they hated me. I was shocked. I couldn't believe it. My heart felt broken, and I curled up and cried and cried. The next time I saw this person, they acted exactly the same way as usual towards me. In fact, both people involved acted like the conversation had never happened. But everything had changed for me on the inside. I decided that I could no longer trust my instincts. My instincts said both people loved me. My ears told me otherwise. So I stopped believing in me. I couldn't trust my inner knowing about people. That was obviously way off. And I certainly wasn't lovable either. Because I misunderstood one overheard conversation, I completely cut myself off from my inner self. I stopped believing my inner knowledge, knowing about people and started trying to figure them out. I stopped trusting in my own abilities to create meaningful relationships. I lost my sense of humor. Were they joking or were they trying to hurt me? I've come to see that I really misunderstood many things. And because of these mistakes, I developed mistaken beliefs about myself and others. I did this to me. Today, I can see clearly that the most important thing that I'm recovering is me. When I'm connected to myself, I know that I am lovable. I can remember that my heart hears better than my ears. We're all in this together, and we're all doing the best that we can. This is the gift of recovery. I'm recovering myself.